Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be sharing with you a tour of my home office. I know a lot of people are working and even completing school from home. However, I myself am an online doctoral student working towards being a pharmacist. My program has always been online, but if you want me to share more about the online pharmacy school experience, leave the pill emoji down in the comments. Since I am exclusively an online student, it was important for me to have a dedicated and separate office/study space. So once I picked the color scheme, I started looking for pieces that matched the vibe that I was going for. As soon as you enter the office, you see a 6-cube storage unit, and on top is my printer. And I will try my best to link any of the items that you may see in this video below. However, a lot of the items I've already owned. This redesign was really just making the items that I already own more comfortable and a little bit enjoyable for those long study days. So as you can see, I have 2 tabletops and 4 legs with the Alex drawer on one end. I have proctored exams, so I did not want to have to clear off my entire desk every time I had an exam. So that part that you're seeing right now is where I put my laptop in order to take exams, and I can easily clear that off instead of moving an entire desktop. Here you'll just see some certificates, and we're moving around to the sitting area. Those lamps and side tables I've already owned. The periodic table came from Hobby Lobby, and this is a let out couch that was gifted to me by my parents. And also those pictures, the artwork that you saw was from Hobby Lobby. So now we're moving on to the big whiteboard. That came from Target, and those picture frames with my degrees in it came from Etsy. I will link those down below. And that's just my TV stand and my TV. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will link anything that was mentioned and not mentioned in the description box below. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one.